Hello guys, welcome to my 36th video. In today's video I'll be showing you all my sonic screwdrivers, and don't worry, my next video will be all rating my Star Wars films from worst to best, so let's get started. However, let's just get one more thing clear. Cue the Doctor Who music. So, first up we have the third Doctor sonic screwdriver, played by John Hurley, 1979-74, that's the, and then we've got the broken one, and the something, I don't know what it is. Fourth Doctor sonic screwdriver, Tom Baker, 1974-1981, we've got the same sound. And we've got the eighth Doctor sonic screwdriver, Paul McGann, 1996, first one with the button. 10th Doctor sonic screwdriver, David Tennant, 2005-2010. Not even because he actually activates it like this in the film, but of course you have to go like this. 4 classic Doctor Who sonic screwdriver sounds. And you've got to put it back in. 11th Doctors, Matt Smith, 2010-2013. Getting annoyed a bit because in the film you can activate it like this. But in the actual thing, in this toy you have to activate it like this when you put it up. This button, or this button. However, it still has the same. So, the only ones I haven't got is the 9th Doctor's 2nd, 7th, 5th, War Doctor's 12th. Tell me what ones you have in the comments below. So yeah, don't worry, my next video will be Star Wars rating video, only I want to do sonic screwdriver because I love Doctor Who. Click like for Doctor Who. And I suppose that is the end of my video. So thank you for all watching, and bye bye.